Hello everybody, myself Chaitanya Kajipie, and this is my project AI Learns to Walk, where I trained a quadruped to walk by interacting with its environment, receiving rewards for forward movement and penalties for falling. So this is my final streamlined web interface, and wait for me to run it. Yes, so the interface is now loading. So this is the interface, and on clicking the start simulation button, the simulation of the initially trained model will appear. This is the initially trained model where the quadruped, as you can see, is trying to actually walk, but at the initial phase he is only detecting and trying to move. After this, the next 50% trained model is this, where the quadruped is actually trying to move forward, but still it is not moving that much beautifully. And one key thing to notice here is the reward which the agent receives are being displayed here. It is the single reward for the initial trained model, and the other two cases, that is the 50% trained and the final, will appear once their simulation gets over. So the 50% trained model simulation is here, and once it will be over, the 50% trained model reward will be appearing here. Yes, so this is the fully trained model, and as we can see, the 50% trained model reward is being displayed here. So this is the final or fully trained model simulation, and now we can see that our model, the quadruped, is now able to walk. Yes, it is able to walking perfectly. So now, since all the model simulation and rewards calculation are being completed, as we can see, all the models and all the rewards. So below is the reward progression graph, as we can see here, which indicates that as the model is being trained, the average reward keeps on increasing, which overall indicates that the performance of our trained model is increasing. So this was all about my final project, and thank you.